Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to this new video where I go over new features we've released in Missive. The first feature is the ability to tag recipients when typing an email in the draft composer using the @ sign. If I open Missive here, I already have created the draft. In this scenario, I want to CC someone. Previously, you would have to click CC and then manually add the address and in the draft tell that you had CC that person. Now here I simply have to do the @ sign, then write some of the letter of the person names and then autocomplete. And you see it added Gustav email address to the CC field and also created a link. This is a quick time saver if you're always introducing people, CCing and BCCing people. Also, when I do the @ sign here, it added to the CC field. This can be customized in your preference. So you simply need to search for mention here and you can change to the CC field, the to field, or the BCC field as the default one. And you can also just, if you don't like that behavior, you can disable it. Next feature, now it's a big one, the long-awaited release of our analytics engine. A lot of our customers use Missive as either a customer support platform or as a way to support the sales team. Now, with the analytics engine, you have the ability to have a clear picture over time of what's happening in your business. You can answer questions like, how many emails do we receive? Is there a seasonability? Should I hire more people because we receive more emails? Things like that. On the productive plan, you have access to this overview report where you have an high-level view of different data points that includes everyone in your organization. You can also upgrade to the business plan, which we previously called the enterprise plan, where you have the ability to scope and filter that overview to just specific employees. Plus, when you're on the business plan, you also have access to a user report where you can compare the performance of your employees between each other or compared to a previous period. You can also see how many emails are received per teams, especially useful for our customers, let's say, that have one team inbox per client. Let's say you're an accountant, each of your clients has a team inbox. You can kind of monitor how many emails you've received over time by each of your customers. And also same by accounts. So in this demo, there's just one account, but you can also see by types of accounts. So if you have social media, SMS, you can see what types actually have received more messages. And then finally, you can also have data points on labels. So if you apply labels, you can have data on how long the labels are kept applied to a conversation, how many were applied, removed, and whatnot. The analytic engine is really useful for any organization that want to monitor their work in Missive. If you are on the productive plan right now and you want to try the full version with the different user and team reports, you can simply upgrade. And if you're not satisfied after 2-3 weeks, just email us back. We will move you back to your previous plan and apply the credit if we need to your account. No question asked. All right, lastly here, internal read receipt. Simply is the ability to see who actually read a specific chat message or email in any given conversation. So you simply have to click the context menu and you will always see who read that chat message at that point in time. Now, lastly, this is offered both on mobile and the desktop app, is just the ability to pull down the conversation preview list to refresh Missive. So this is good. In desktop, you press shift and you drag down like this. On mobile, you would simply swipe down and I will refresh Missive.